Good evening, students. Today, I am going to work out the two equations, that is first and second energy equation from TDS equation. I hope you have seen the two videos for the same type of questions. Obtain first and second TDS equation, that is 8 marks. This also will be like that. Now, to start with, I'll start with the first energy equation. When a pure substance or system undergoes an infinitesimal reversible process between two equilibrium states, there is a change in internal energy given by this of high jiggly words don't want. Directly start from the first law of thermodynamics. You have dq is equal to du plus dw. That is total quantity of heat given to a system. Some proportion goes to increase the internal energy of the system. The remaining portion utilized to increase the it will do the work. It's work done by the system. Work done is equal to PdV. You know this work done. This is du. Therefore, dq is equal to this. From the second law of thermodynamics, the change in entropy is equal to total quantity of heat absorbed at that temperature. Therefore, dq is equal to TdS. This you substitute here. Therefore, what I got? TdS is equal to du plus PdV. Then what? You bring this side. Therefore, du is equal to TdS minus PdV. Now, some textbook or you may start directly from this first equation. You need not do all this, but it's better to do all that everywhere. In an examination. Therefore, the change in internal energy. This is what? Change in internal energy is given by TdS into PdV. What is the first TdS? We have studied that from two TdS equation. What is TdS? TdS. Please recollect it. One is CV, next is Cp. Here you write dt we write. One is plus, one is, another is minus. You put the T here. Then I told you to remember, put a bracket. Here V, therefore you write dV. Here P, therefore you write dP. Okay. Then what? P is missing, therefore dP by this dou, you have to read dou, not dou, okay. Dou by dou T. This is also dou, which is missing here, dV by dt. This is the first TdS equation and second TdS equation. You know this. The first TdS, because for first energy I am going to use first TdS equation. Therefore, I am going to substitute this. Therefore, how to write this? From first TdS equation, TdS is equal to Cv dt. What is Cv? Specific heat at constant volume. T dP by dt. That means dou by dou P by dou T, the dV. Right? This is perfect differential. You substitute here. Therefore, du is equal to Cv dt plus T dP by dt dV I substituted minus P dV. Now what is it? Which is common factor? dV is the common factor. I'll take out that. That means du is equal to Cv dt plus T dP by dt, right? V is the at constant. Here what you write? Here you write V, here P. Okay. Here what you write? V minus P dV. This is the second equation, right? Now internal energy, that's what? Internal energy is the function of temperature and volume. For first EDS and extension, how you started? Here S is the function of T and V. Here S is function of T and P, because P here V. Likewise you start from V. Then if you differentiate, therefore du is equal to du by dt into perfect. See, partial, this is perfect. Again what? Du by dV, partial one, this is perfect one. Here you write V here, you write T here. You understood? Now what is this? What is this? Look. Again PUC, I also studied the same thing. Specific heat at, see, quantity of heat absorbed at constant volume is only to utilize its internal energy, is it not? Right? But quantity of heat at constant pressure is not only increase the internal energy, plus it does some amount of work. This is specific. From there you got specific heat at constant pressure, here specific heat at constant volume. Okay, therefore dq by what is dq by dt at constant volume? Quantity of heat at constant volume per unit temperature, per unit mass is called what? Specific heat constant volume. But quantity of heat absorbed at constant volume, nothing but internal energy, is not? du by dt. Therefore, what do you observe from this? Therefore, quantity of heat at constant volume du by dt is equal to what? This is specific, sorry. This is specific heat at constant volume, correct? Look, du by dt is equal to, this is called dt. Here I write dt plus du by dv. I am writing only this as it is. du. What is this? Is the equation 3. Have you noticed what you observe from this? You compare this and you compare this. du, Cv dt, Cv dt. The same, both are same. Then what do you observe from this? What is the coefficient of dV? Here what is the coefficient of dV? Therefore comparing equation 2 and 3, we have, what do we have? du by dV at constant temperature. This is equal to this quantity, is not? Is equal to T dP by dt V minus P. Therefore, what you got? The first energy equation. What is the first energy equation here? du by dV T is equal to T dP by dt V minus P. This is the first energy equation. Can you follow? Now how they give marks? This is for 8 marks. Let us see. First we'll try to gain that 4 mark now. If you write this 1 mark, if you write up to this 1 mark, then you know the up to this. Okay. Then this also same thing. Internal energy is what? Where is this first TDS equation? Applying the first TDS, you are writing the first TDS equation. It's not. For that only 1 mark they give. Writing itself 1 mark they give. Then again what? Here you are substituting and writing the common factor. Okay. Up to this is 1 mark. Right? This entire thing. This entire thing, carrying, writing, all these things. This you're supposed to know what is the specific case. And getting the result up to this 1 mark. After this 1 mark. Now totally in 4 minutes or 5 minutes, slowly if you write, in 5 minutes you got 4 marks. Okay. Now we'll try to do the second energy equation. Okay. This I will do in the next class.